everyone, welcome back to Pixel Village and I am Radha Krishnan. This video is for that outdoor enthusiasts and videographers. Today we got something really exciting to talk about, the SJC300 action camera. It's probably one of the most affordable yet powerful 4K action camera, and this is perfectly targeted those people who do not have the big bucks to spend and buy the top of the line action cameras, or people who are starting out and want to try their hands at creating content using an action camera. So let's dive right into it. Now it comes in a box like this. I have unboxed it already, and this is the camera. Nice and compact. It's got a front screen, got a lens of course in front, and a small battery. And if you use this additional attachment, of course it comes in the box, and if you replace this battery, very easy to replace, and this goes in. Well, two advantages. Now you got a rear screen and also a more powerful battery, and probably a little better ergonomics while shooting. And of course this also has a 1/4 thread at the bottom, using which you can mount this onto let's say a kind of a boom pole or something like that, and get more height. It also has a waterproof case. Well, of course, it'll take only the small battery which comes in the box, so it has a good 30 meters waterproof capacity, and also it comes with 3 different types of kind of clips, mounts rather. One is a bike mount or a helmet mount. This one is for clipping onto your body. Of course, the body becomes a little front heavy, so if you are using it along with a thin, dress like a t-shirt, it tends to kind of sag forward. Ideally, you should be wearing slightly thicker, more firmer cloth for this to work very well. And there is one more case. Now, first up, let's discuss this camera's impressive 4K 30 FPS resolution. Okay. This means that you can capture stunning high-quality footage, whether you are into action sports or nature videography. This camera has you covered. One thing that really caught our attention is the built-in 6-axis gyro stabilizer. It's a game changer, making sure that your footage stays clear, steady, even in shaky conditions. Like I said, it may not be comparable to the real high-end action cameras, but this does a decent job, I must say. From handheld recording to, let's say, mountain biking, it's stable and reliable. With the included waterproof case, I showed it to you earlier, this has a waterproofing capacity up to 30 meters. Okay, and that's IP68 level of a diving waterproof grade. Plus, it's also drop proof, dust proof, and shock proof. So you can confidently dive, climb, surf, ski, and ride without any worries. I don't really want to try experimenting with that drop test. I also will recommend you not to try it, but yeah, if accidentally falls down from your hand, it's an action camera. It's likely to fall, but you are covered because this actually is drop proof. Now, if you want hands-free shooting, well, you will like this back clip. I told you, if you use this, of course, it will work only with this smaller battery, and it sits in very nicely here. Okay, now you can clip this. Now, for example, let me try and clip this onto my t-shirt. This is probably not the right place. So this is what I was telling you. So if you clip it on a thin kind of a dress, of course, it'll start sagging forward. You will have no control on that, especially if you are walking, riding, etc. So ideally you should have a nice jacket which is firm on your body, and then you clip it into, let's say, into a belt or a clip. Wherever this clip can nicely go in and stay, well, this can actually give you the experience of hands-free shooting. Of course, the camera is extremely lightweight, so you should not have any problem. And this kind of wearing it on your body will give you a kind of a first-person immersive kind of a view. It's like taking your viewers along with you. So you should definitely try this out. And of course, there is more. It's extra large aperture and its night vision capabilities. This camera shines in low light conditions also. It can capture nice images, even when the lighting is not really ideal. And that's perfect for those magic moments during, let's say, a sunset or a dimly lit kind of environments. Now, the battery life is always a concern for, outdoor shooters, action photography enthusiasts, because most of the time they are out in the open and they don't have a power source to charge. Well, the SJC300 camera comes with a 1000 mAh removable battery for daily use, and if you need more juice, you can replace it with the 2800 mAh battery module, giving you up to, let's say, about 6 hours of continuous recording. Well, no more interruptions during your shoot. Now, what's so cool about this dual touch color screen is that there is one on the front and one on the back. This setup unlocks a wide range of shooting positions. Whatever you are capturing, epic shots or taking selfies, this dual screen kind of a setup will be extremely helpful. The camera also features a 154-degree wide-angle lens with minimal distortion. It lets you capture the broad scenes effectively, whether it's natural beauty or, let's say, cityscapes. The SJCam's Zone app is a handy companion for this camera. It allows you to control your camera setting remotely via Wi-Fi. It'll also help you to transfer those images from your camera to your phone for, let's say, easier, better, more effective editing. You can even connect to social media for live streaming and share your adventures to the world. Yeah, that's what the SJC300 can do. Don't forget about the time-lapse mode, okay? Now, it can also do wonderful time-lapse. It can transform hours of recording into breathtaking minutes of playback. Well, it's perfect for capturing world's subtle moments like the earth spinning or clouds rippling, let's say. That's a very interesting feature. Of course, you're going to definitely, you may not do it every time. Well, if you manage to find a suitable situation, and if you manage to pull off a nice time lapse, it will definitely be a treat. This camera is incredibly versatile, okay? In car mode, it doubles as a car recorder, capturing those memorable moments from your road trips. And it also can switch to a webcam, making it a handy office gadget for all your virtual meetings. So let's quickly go over to the key specs. You got a video resolution options, dual touch screens, battery capacity, Wi-Fi capabilities, and more. It's got a lot packed in this compact design. So in conclusion, the SJC300 is a cost-effective action camera that doesn't really compromise on quality. It's your companion for adventures, capturing life's moments in stunning 4K. If you are in the market for an affordable yet feature-rich action camera, this one is worth considering. So if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more such tech reviews and exciting product recommendations. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.